ServiceMate does not support Android. We don't plan to support Android. We are 100% for Apple's iPhone and iPad. So you might be thinking, when every second person has an Android phone, what kind of crazy company makes an app just for iPhone? Maybe we are a little crazy, but really, we just think differently about how to make the best solution for our customers. My name's Michael, and in this video, I'll explain how ServiceMate not supporting Android is actually better for you and your business. Let's begin by dispelling a few myths. The first thing to know is our decision to focus on Apple is not about making life easier for us. It isn't because making an Android app is just too hard and too expensive. It's not that hard and it's not that expensive. Second, this isn't some devious scheme to make people buy more iPhones. ServiceMate is not secretly owned by Apple, and we don't get kickbacks from iPhone sales. And third, this is not about how many people own iPhones versus Androids. We don't assume everyone has an iPhone. Of course we don't. People love quoting stats about the market share of iPhones compared to Androids, telling us how we're limiting our customer base and losing out on so much business. Do we lose potential customers because of our Apple focus? Honestly, yes. Some people just don't stick around to learn why. They're just like, some people don't get that software is better when optimized for one platform. Others don't want to invest in iPhones for their business. And some people just love Android. So think about all that for a second. We don't support Android, so we can make a better solution knowing that we lose potential customers because of this. If we were funded by external investors or went public on the stock exchange, there's no way this mentality would fly. The suits would have forced us to widen our market and make an Android app years ago. But we haven't, because we believe in customer success. We believe it's more important to make the best solution for you rather than make the compromises to support both Apple and Android to get to a wider market. ServiceMate is different because we prioritize making the best solution for you. So if you're asking yourself, why should I buy iPhones just so I can use ServiceMate? It's because Apple is the best for running a mobile business, it's because ServiceMate is optimized for Apple, and it's because ServiceMate is focused on Apple. It's because every single option to support both Apple and Android, and this includes web and hybrid apps, every single option results in a worse solution. The reality is, Apple and Android are very different platforms. You can't get away from it, which means there are some very real trade-offs that come with making software that supports both Apple and Android apps. When software developers support Android, it means making their app work on all Android devices. There are thousands of them, and plenty of cheap and nasty ones. This isn't a big deal for basic apps with a few functions, but for a real business solution, simply making the app work across a huge range of devices with a huge range in quality really constrains how fast, how powerful, and how effective the app can be in your business. It's like designing anything, really. You can make a product compatible with everything out there, but it will never be as good as a specialized, focused design. When developers support Android, they're also making compromises in the ongoing development of their software, from how it works, to what improvements they can release, and what platform-specific features they can support. For example, if Apple releases a feature which is super relevant for trade and service businesses, there's less benefit in supporting it if all the Android users can't use it. If an Android-based brand develops an awesome new technology, specifically supporting that would mean everyone on other Android brands, plus all the iPhone users, would miss out. So can you see how supporting both Apple and Android affects the end result? How it compromises the solution the app is a part of? And how good that solution can actually be at solving your problems? When software developers split their priorities across Apple and Android, they're making trade-offs. They can't focus on getting the most out of an operating system or a specific device. There are too many Androids and too many variables. They compromise the ability to focus, they compromise the ability to optimize, and they compromise the ability to innovate. Supporting Android means you get less. So while it's convenient to have the option of both Apple and Android for an app, in the end, the trade-offs made for this convenience benefit the developer much more than they benefit you. They make trade-offs to maximize their market and get you in the door, but it's your business that needs to work with these trade-offs every single day. Compare the ServiceMate app and see for yourself. See how fast it is, because its performance is 100% optimized for Apple. Each tap gives a lightning-fast, smooth result. It's not clunky, and you're not waiting around for screens to load. See how simple the design is, and how easy it is to get around. It's designed specifically for the device you're using, and it's super efficient to use all day, every day. Compare what you can actually do with the ServiceM8 app. See how truly capable it is to manage jobs, staff, and clients on the go. You can create and schedule jobs, view staff locations, automatically track time on site, document jobs, complete digital forms, service assets, email and text clients, take measurements, mark up photos, draw diagrams, generate PDF quotes and invoices, take signatures, accept card payments through the app, and so much more. And check out how we make ServiceM8 more accessible and help you work smarter by taking advantage of iOS features, like Siri shortcuts, so you can ask Siri to navigate you to your next job. Or widgets, bringing your schedule, quotes, and jobs that need attention out of the app and onto your home screen. Apple Watch, delivering reminders of when to leave for your next job. Live text, saving time by scanning serial numbers and text right into ServiceM8. Document scanning to digitize paperwork. Apple Pencil for diagrams and photo markup. And Apple CarPlay, making ServiceM8 part of your car and super accessible. We support Apple features like these immediately, where others don't, because we focus. So we've talked about the benefits of focusing on one platform, but why focus on Apple instead of Android? It's because Apple is the best for business. Apple has the best combination of high-quality devices, an easy-to-use operating system, great support, unrivaled privacy, and built-in security. Android doesn't. Sure, there are some good Android-based phones, but there are heaps of rubbish ones. And the thing is, the effectiveness of an app is inseparable from the device it's used on. Powerful software can't do much on a $200 phone. You get what you pay for. On the other hand, when everyone in your team has an iPhone, any iPhone, you know they're equipped with a well-made, high-quality device. It just works. When it comes to updates, Apple's software support is exceptional, giving you the confidence that when you invest in an iPhone or iPad, it will continue getting automatic updates to the latest operating system for years. This combination of high build quality and ongoing software support means you get great longevity and great value for money. And how about the security of your business data? What about your clients and their personal data? Apple maintains a closed, secure ecosystem. iPhones and iPads are designed for security and privacy straight out of the box. Plus they all get fast, automatic security updates. Apple also maintains a high standard for apps to be listed for download on their App Store. Compare all this to Android's open ecosystem, which makes it much easier to bypass protection measures, accidentally download malicious apps, and get malware which can steal login details and sensitive data. Studies have found that Android-based devices have at least 15 times more infections from malicious software than iPhone. Different Android-based devices also get different levels of ongoing security updates and support. All this isn't great when it comes to your business's financial and client data. And remember, this data isn't just on your device, but the devices of every team member. ServiceM8 is a faster, smarter, and safer solution to power your business because Apple is the best for business, ServiceM8 is optimized for Apple devices, and you know when you invest in iPhones and iPads, ServiceM8 is 100% committed to making the best solution for you on these specific devices. Now, if you're a die-hard Android fan and swear black and blue that you'll never use Apple, then we are not for you. There is no way around it. There is no way to use ServiceM8 as a solution without an iPhone or iPad. But if you're not that fussed or have never actually tried an iPhone, give Apple a go. You'll be surprised at how easy it is to switch. Something we often hear is, not all my staff have iPhones, so we can't use ServiceM8. Again, we don't assume everyone has an iPhone, but we do believe in investing in your business. So if you have a team and have always operated on a bring your own device basis, and some of your people have Android phones, we would say buy them iPhones. Yes, this comes at a cost. But without a doubt, this is a direct investment into your business. Running a contracting or service business means you and your team work separately every day, constantly on the move from job to job, client to client. You need to maximize productivity, maximize efficiency, eliminate administration wherever you can, and have incredible communication. You need exceptional mobile technology. In a field-based business, you use and depend on your mobile technology as much as your vehicle. So as a business, there are few things more worthwhile of investment than quality mobile technology for your team. In your industry, the way you work, your mobile technology is this important. You don't need to buy iPhones and iPads outright. Apple often has business finance or rental options, and telcos offer various business plans and bundles. You can structure it in a way that works best for you. You can provide your staff the device and SIM plan as part of their employment package, just the device, just the SIM, or you can keep it simple and pay them a phone allowance instead. Plus, you'll have more control over how staff use phones during work hours and more authority to track their whereabouts. The point is, using quality Apple devices isn't unaffordable. ServiceMate and Apple is an investment in your mobile technology for your mobile business, which will easily pay for itself. Just ask some friends who use ServiceMate, or check out some reviews and see what ServiceMate can do, not just for your productivity, profitability, and cash flow, but for your customer service, staff development, job satisfaction, and lifestyle. Try ServiceMate, and if we're the right fit, invest in Apple devices and take your business to the next level. You will not look back. See you later.